Good morning. Today, we have a fun one for you. We're going to take a look at the top 5 most popular giants of all time, and we'll list them by Google's search rankings. So please comment below if you agree with our assessment. Here we go. Number 5, The Big Show. Born Paul White in 1972, The Big Show is known as the largest professional athlete. Weighing in at a hefty 383 pounds, the show is a regular on WWE TV. Number 4, Manute Bol. Standing 7'7", this giant from Sudan averaged more blocks per game in the NBA than points. With an incredible wingspan of 8'6", he played in the NBA for 11 years. Number 3, Robert Wadlow. The tallest man in recorded human history, Wadlow stood 8'11". With a wingspan of 9'5" and a weight of almost 500 pounds, he actually weighed 2.5 times that of Manute Bol. Wow. Number 2, Yao Ming. This 7'6" former Houston Rocket may be the most successful Chinese basketball player in history. And number 1 is none other than Andre the Giant. The heaviest man on our list, he was once ranked as the most recognizable man on the planet Earth. What? That probably puts him high in the running for most recognizable man in the galaxy. Can anyone name this movie that starred Andre? Leave a comment below.
Okay, so I tried Rest More about a month ago was when I started trying it. But the first time taking it, it made a huge difference. Now I've been taking it every single night for a month, and it has worked amazing. I've been able to sleep every single night, and it has helped me so much with work and everything. So I love it, and I highly recommend it for everybody.
Rest More is an essential addition to your medicine cabinet for those times you need to fall asleep but can't. Remember, when you just need more rest, get Rest More. Now available on Amazon.